Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you are new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I'm going to swatch and review the Back to School collection by Madam Glam. This collection is fully based, or at least the names are fully based on Gossip Girl. Maybe not everyone knows that series, but I've watched it like twice already. I really love that series. It is really cool. I think it is still on Netflix, but I'm not sure. It's been a while since I actually finished watching the entire, like all of these seasons again. But I think it's really cute that this fall collection is based on like New York, XOXO, you know? So yeah, I'm just really excited to actually swatch all of these colors. And after I recorded this video, I also made a really cute fall design with the red and two of the pinks. Like Mothertrucker is like such a beautiful, like classic red. I love it so much. Yeah, if you are interested to see all of these swatches, please keep on watching. I'm going to talk you through each and every color, sharing with you what I think about it, how they apply, and so on. As usual, I'm just going to apply them on my little swatch sticks, and I am going to apply 2 layers of each color and applying a top coat as well. The first color we are going to swatch is called Upper East Side. I actually have been to New York. I've been to New York, I think it was like a week or something, but I was for 2 weeks in America, and that was way back in 2017. In the winter actually. So yeah, I actually have been to the Upper East Side as well, and it's really cool because I really love the design on the bottles and the labels as well. I think it really represents each name and color really well. But Upper East Side is kind of like a warm bluish gray tone, really perfect for fall. Personally, it really is one of my favorites. I think you can combine a lot of different shades with this particular gray tone. It is a little bit more on the warmer side in my opinion, even though it is like a bluish gray. I don't feel like this is such a cool toned color, but it really is a neat one. I really love it. I think that it will suit a lot of different people with different skin tones. But I pretty much love the design they did on the bottle, and the color is just a stunner for fall. Next up is Fifth Avenue, and this is a really unique shade in my opinion. I haven't seen many gel polishes or regular nail polishes in a mustardy yellow shade. In Dutch we call it ochre. I don't know if that is actually an English word, but ochre geel or ochre yellow is kind of like a similar mustardy shade, and I really love that color. I think it really suits me, like my complexion and my hair color as well. I'm pretty pale, but a yellow shade like this actually suits me really well, in my opinion at least. This polish is quite thick, but not too thick. It's really easy to apply. You only need like 2 thin layers to make it completely opaque. By the way, I just swatched all of these colors for 2 layers, and of course cured each layer for 30 seconds and also cured the top coat layer for 30 seconds. So yeah, I'm actually really happy to see a color like this in a fall collection. It might not be everyone's cup of tea, like not everyone will love it, but personally I really do. Next up is Serena, or in Dutch Serena. This is a beautiful like beigey nude, kind of cooler, if you know what I mean. It's like most beigey nude colors are really warm, going a little bit towards the warmer peachy or salmony kind of tones. I feel like this one is more towards just white. It's a beigey white color, and I think it's really pretty. Again, it applies like a dream. You only need 2 thin layers to make it completely opaque. Ooh, and there was one of my cat hairs, or like one of the hairs from my cats. That's always the issue if you have cats, and yeah, they just shed hairs like all the time. So sometimes you just have to pick out a little cat hair from your swatch or your polish application. That just happens. Other cat owners or even dog owners will definitely understand. I always tend to just keep it in because I like sharing like simple stuff and just things that happen in daily life. I don't really prefer showing you a perfect picture because we all know things ain't perfect all the time. So yeah, back to the color. I just think Serena is a really lovely nude color, and it will be one that you can actually wear all year round. Next up is Xoxo, and the building I just pointed at, I'm not sure anymore what it's called, but I actually was in the Hilton Hotel, and that was really close to it, and my room actually had a view on that building, which was pretty cool. But Xoxo is like a really sheer grayish kind of light brown color. I feel like this is kind of like a hard color to describe. I feel like it's pretty brown, but there is like a little bit of like coolness of gray in there. It is quite sheer, so this might be one you want to apply 3 layers of to make it completely opaque on your natural nails, especially if you have longer nails like I do. I don't really like my like smile line to really peek through, but if that is something you like, do check out this color. It's a lovely neutral shade, really wearable, not like specifically for fall, but just all year round. Next up is called You Know You Love Me, and this one is more of a warmer neutral, like peachy salmony kind of tone. Very creamy, really opaque. You only need 2 layers again. So yeah, I just really love Madam Glam and just the way they make their gel polishes. I've tried a lot of gel polishes, even though I've only been using gel polishes for like 1.5 years or something, not even 1.5 years, but I've already tried out a ton, and I have to say, like, consistency, just opaqueness, and the way these apply, Madam Glam definitely is on top of the favorite list when it comes to gel polishes. And again, this is just a really neat one, really wearable as well. I think this is a color a lot of people will really like, and it's really cute to combine with like a pink or a red or a green or something to make it more fall appropriate. But yeah, I think it's really cute. It looks a lot different than the label, but just look at the little color thingy in the cap of the bottle. Next up is It Girl. This is definitely one of my favorites. Like, this one and the 2 after this one are definitely my favorites. It Girl is kind of like that dusty rose color. You guys know me, I love my pinks, and I especially love dusty rose pink tones this fall. You have seen me wear that Pink Makes the Heart Grow Fonder by Catrice, which is a regular nail polish. It is kind of similar to this color, and I am so addicted to it. I've been wearing it like non-stop ever since I got that polish, and I definitely will have a lot of wear out of this color as well by Madam Glam. By the way, it is super opaque, and I also have a discount code of 30% if you want to use that. It is always in the description box of each video, and I will pin it in a comment underneath as well. I'm not getting paid or anything to mention that or for you guys to use it. It's just something that Madam Glam made for me to share with you guys. Just a little bit of like a thank you, and you can actually save some money on your next purchase. The next color is called Little J. Everyone who has seen Gossip Girl knows who Little J is. It is a beautiful medium pink, again completely opaque in just 2 thin layers. I'm actually wearing at least this color and 2 other shades on my nails as we speak, and it's just a beautiful fall pink. Like, this color can be worn any time of year, like especially by people like me who really like to wear pinks. But I actually made a nail art with it, and it's just really pretty to combine it with It Girl and Mothertrucker, which I will be swatching in a hot minute. But this color is just really pretty. Again, there's no shimmer or anything in there. All of these polishes are really like creamy, no glitter, no shimmer, just full on color, and I really love that. I think it's really beautiful. You can make a lot of cute like nail art designs with these, or just apply it full on the nail. Next up, Mothertrucker, the one I mentioned before. I'm wearing this one right now as well. I think it's really beautiful. At the first layer, it seems to be kind of dark pink, and I do think that this is a classic red, a little bit more of a colder undertone. But then again, it does have a lot of warmth as well. It's like a really confusing color. Like on the first swatch, you can see it almost looks like a dark pink, but it really is a red. So I would say it's a classic, kind of like a pink undertone red, but it's a really nice red. Actually, it is one of those reds that everyone can wear. It doesn't have like a specific super cool or super warm undertone, and I think this is like a beautiful red to wear in like the Christmas season as well, and just the entire holiday season. I just really love this color. It is quite unique, but then again quite classic as well. But yeah, I really love the name, like Mothertrucker. Like, again, if you have seen the series, you definitely know what it's all about. Next is Blair Waldorf, again one of the names of the characters of the series, and this is a lovely teal kind of green color. I don't feel like it is completely green. I feel like there is some blue in here as well, which makes it a really tough color to describe actually, because some people might say, oh, this is just a green. Others might see it a little bit more as a blue. I feel like it's a whole lot of green with a little bit of blue, if you know what I mean. But again, it is completely opaque in just 2 thin layers. The brush by like from all of the bottles by Madam Glam are just really easy to apply the gel polishes with. I never have any issues applying it on my own natural nails, even though I always work with my non-dominant hand when it comes to applying gel polishes to my own nails, because my right hand is always for gel polishes and my left hand for regular nail polishes. So yeah. The last color is called Lonely Boy, and this one is, I think it is based off of Dan from the series. It is a beautiful dark green, kind of like a forest kind of green. I really love colors like these as well, and I think this would be a beautiful combination to just pair it with Serena, like that beigey cool undertoned nude color. I think that would be really cute to make a design like that for fall. I have to say that this green is a little bit more sheer than I thought it would be, but a second layer will definitely help build it up a little bit more. This one might need 3 thin layers on the own natural nails if you have like longer nails and you don't want your smile line to peek through, but nonetheless it is a really nice color. Here you can see it is still a little bit sheer, like a little bit too sheer for my personal preference, but it's totally up to you how many layers you want to apply and how opaque you want it to be. So yeah, this was already my swatch and review video. Again, I have made a cute design with some of the colors from this collection, but you will have to wait a little bit longer before you can see that. I am recording a ton of videos like on forehand because I am going to Asia for 4 weeks this fall, so I am prepping a shit ton of videos. So some videos will be posted a little bit later and some a little bit earlier, of course. But yeah, let me know what you think about this collection. I think it's really cute, perfect for fall. I love that it's based off of Gossip Girl. Yeah, let me know what your favorite color is. I definitely love It Girl, Little J, and Mothertrucker, but Serena is really beautiful too, and Fifth Avenue is just really unique. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed, and I hope to see you in my next video.